Hello, this episode of LivRight is brought to you by SkyHi Locksmith. We're located in Boston, Massachusetts. We serve all of the surrounding cities. Call today for great automotive, residential, and commercial locksmith services. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Russ Martin, LivRight. This is about attorneys, the lawyers in the legal system. I wanted to make sure that I put this message out there. I have great concern for you people in your business environment. You go through 7 years of college, 4 years of general college, 3 years of law study, and then you got to pass that exam only to come out and you start working in the system and you find out that it's a monopoly, organized crime, that you can't go up against the state, and you have a state license. If you want to leave the state, you got to go to another state and then take a licensing again, another exam. But now you're licensed as an attorney. And if you don't obey the laws of the state of Nevada, they can jerk your license from you. I found this with a lot of attorneys who were in deep fear of even having a conversation with me about what the state was doing to me. In the beginning, I dealt with outside attorneys that were around in the area of the courthouse. And these people, they would tell me I can get it reduced from a felony down to a misdemeanor, give me $10,000. Once I brought up the issue of Robert Moose being a retired policeman, that I wanted to sue him, boom! Conversation was done. They wouldn't even go any further with me. I was back out the door again. So, my point to you is my hats are off to you attorneys. Over the 5 years that I'm dealing with this legal system, I understand that you guys are being controlled. I understand, based on the reactions of this Judge Michael Viliani as to the conduct of my public defenders, violating my fiduciary responsibility, their fiduciary responsibilities to me as a defendant, but going beyond that and manifesting false witness statements, that when Judge Michael Viliani attacked an attorney who was giving me advice in the courthouse, this told me that you guys are under complete control. And when I interviewed no less than 25, 30 attorneys. They never once had an attorney that they could refer me to. They wouldn't even talk about it. Once they started, as time went on, I'm about 2.5, 3 years into it, they're looking at the court transcripts with their secretary, and then the secretary would come out and say, Mr. Martin, we can't help you. Send me on my way. In the beginning, I would give disclosure to the attorneys. Robert Moose, he owns his house free and clear. He has retirement pensions. And guess what? This didn't spark interest. Any good attorney would have jumped all over that. But they're being controlled. So when you're out there hunting around for an attorney, be aware, it's not about what they're saying. It's what they're not saying that's important. Understand that if they violate the business model of the state of Nevada, be it wrong or right, they'll lose their license to practice law. Simple. Boom! Pull that baby from them. Done deal. But they're also protected. They can commit criminal crimes. When I submitted the falsified documents that Jake Gullo created, I submitted them to the Nevada Bar Association. Nevada Bar Association wouldn't communicate. Nothing. No response, no nothing. Submitted them to Steve Wolfson in the beginning. I didn't know what his position was in the whole system and that he was pulling the strings. No response. Would not respond at all. And there were other departments that I submitted to. Commission for Judicial Discipline. I think they did get rid of Judge Michael Viliani, but they should have gotten rid of Eric Goodman, another criminal. And now Tara Clarkson and Diane Sullivan. At least Tara Clarkson and Diane Sullivan should be put on suspended list. But my point to you attorneys out there, I feel sorry for you. It's hard. It really is for you guys. So, that's all I have to say. So thank you very much for your time and listening, and good luck with whatever it is you're doing.